Hi, I'm Francesca and I'm a nutrition coach, and I'm here to make one of my favorite easy, healthy dishes, vegetable sauté with a carb that's not a carb. Yes. We have a pan already set. I'm gonna heat the stove up to about medium high, and we're gonna add our healthy fat, which is our extra virgin olive oil. I just love to zhuzh. Isn't that a great word? Zhuzh. Love to zhuzh the olive oil right into the pan. So we're not fully coating the pan, but we're getting enough so that we can add the vegetables without having it stick. What I've done already is I've pre-chopped some vegetables. Again, these are all of my favorites. You pick whatever vegetable you want, but my go-to is always asparagus for a little anti-inflammatory, mushrooms for all of their great water content and their adaptogen properties, and also a little bit of peppers and some zucchini and squash just for some added fiber. So one of the things that I love to do when I'm cooking is to make all of my meals fiber rich, but filled with flavor. So that's what we're gonna do today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our vegetables to the pan and we're gonna just let them cook. Now we wanna add some of our favorite spices. So one of the things that's actually my go-to, and as an Italian who does not love pesto, is pesto. Pesto actually is just a little bit of fresh basil, a little bit of Parmesan. Now again, this is a vegetable-based dish. So there's no protein in here, it's all vegetables. But if you wanted to add protein, you can add some chopped chicken, you can add some ground turkey, you can add some shrimp. That's what's so great about this dish is it is totally universal and you can use it all week long and just add your favorite proteins. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna add a little tiny tablespoon, because there is some healthy fats in our pesto, and let it kind of sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. If your vegetables are chopped up really small, it cooks in no time flat. This is a really quick, simple, easy meal. So if you think you don't have time when you come home to cook this, you can. Plus, you can also cook this in advance and leave it in the fridge and reheat it in the bowl. It will just eat the exact same way. So, let's get fun. My favorite, I personally cannot eat carbs because I'm very carb sensitive, but I found these great carb alternatives. So this is actually hearts of palm. Hearts of palm are filled with fiber, they're water soluble, so they're filling, and there is only 4 grams, and remember every vegetable is still a form of carb, there's only 4 grams of actual carbs. So if you're looking to cut some of the carbs, this is awesome. And if you look at this, I mean seriously, look at how this comes out. This is all noodle based. Look at that, that is so incredible. You would never know that this is not linguine, it's artichokes. I'm gonna grab all that, look at that. This is all vegetable based. It does not get any better than this. So who says you can't lose weight without eating all of those processed carbs, right? And you can totally put some fresh Parmesan cheese, whatever makes you happy. I mean, come on, so good, right? Enjoy it, keep it in your refrigerator, add your favorite protein. You can literally lose weight and get healthy on eating meals just like this. Give it a shot. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye.